Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with my new releases for this Wednesday and this Friday. I'm actually considering maybe putting this video up on Monday and start doing new releases on Monday. Just because I feel like if I do the new releases on Monday, I could do my plan on Wednesday. That gives me a little bit more time. And then Friday could be just like my random video. Or if that doesn't work in the future, or if you guys prefer them to be on Wednesday just so it's a little bit fresher in your mind for Friday, then I could keep them on Wednesday and then do my plan with me's on Friday. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, but let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. So most of these items will be available this Friday at noon Eastern. My releases are always Friday at noon Eastern. If I do put this at Monday, I will have my moving day boxes, which I did post all the information on my Instagram regarding that. Those go on sale at noon Eastern today. Monday, if I post this on Wednesday, they already went on sale. But let's go ahead and get into the Wiggle. This is a new Wiggle format. I just changed just a couple of little things, so let's go ahead and get into it. It's going to be the same price point as last time. So last time there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets. Each sheet is $2 a la carte, but if you pick the all 6 option, you get all 6 for the $10. So just a little bit of an incentive if you want to buy them in the bundle. So let's go ahead and get into it. This week's Wiggle is a really cool green color. Super excited about this one. Hope you guys can get all of the wiggles so you guys can see all of the angles of the foil shift there. Super cool green. So let's go ahead and go into the sheets. This sheet hasn't changed at all, and it just has a variety of corner stickers, which are great for decorating half boxes and full boxes and all different other places. This kind of lends itself to the fact that there is only, if you buy the bundle, 4 of the full box overlays, which are our chunky glitter hover overlays. This one doesn't have the extra dot on it, but it is super cute. The last Wiggle format had that rogue dot. But anyways, so you can use these and then use these to kind of supplement with other boxes, but I'll kind of tell you guys a little bit about another hack in a minute to kind of get a little bit more of your full box coverage. So then you also have your icon sheet, which hasn't changed. So you have a bunch of circle icons, and then you have some date numbers on the bottom. Then to match the full box overlays, you do have the chunky glitter header overlays. Then this is a completely new sheet. I totally curled these on the way in, but this is a new sheet. I don't remember what the old sheet looked like. Let me see if I have one. I should have a bunch actually. This was the last format, which you guys, I did do, I think, like a poll on how we want to bring these back. Let me see. How are these set up this way? Bring these back. I do have just like some sets of all of them, so I'm going to be bringing those back. I don't know when, but you'll be able to buy them just as a set of the last round of Wiggles, so this format of Wiggles. But I'll have more information about that whenever I'm releasing them. So this was the last format, so you had the bottom washi overlay, the full box overlay, the glitter header overlay, the same icons, the same corner overlays, and then this was the other sheet. So what we did is took out some of the icons and then it made this sheet a little bit bigger. So you can see there's the icons there. So we took out about 3 rows of them, and just because they're also in the set, there is the circle icon, so you get kind of a little icon happy. I didn't want to get rid of all of them because these are a little bit smaller. So I kind of tried to get rid of some of like kind of the duplicates. So you have your mini icons up top, which it wouldn't be a new Wiggle format if we didn't have an oops. And the oops here is that the weekend banner isn't cut out, which I'm actually going to show you the hack that I came up with. So if you go right here, go ahead and just give it a little snip. Give it a little slip. Actually, it'll be easier to lay down this way. Thankfully, these are highly discounted anyways. So last Wiggle format was that there was no dot, and this one is that the weekend banner is not cut out, but you could totally just lay this down. It'd actually be way easier to lay down than the cutout one, but obviously that will be fixed with the future Wiggle formats. Don't know how that happened, but you know, things do happen. So you have the weekend banner. It is the smaller one just because that's what fit on the sheet. Then you have the two flag overlays there for your Erin Condren, the little flags, and then you have a bow just because I had a little bit extra room. You have 4 little emoji type heads there, and then you have a bunch of extra deco. So we were able to make this sheet quite bigger. So this is what the other sheet looks like. Still the same price as $2, even though we did make it larger. And then last but not least, we do have the bottom washi page here, which is super cute. So what I decided to do is we did the bows on the bottom. Before there was hearts on top, but I decided to do this confetti, which is kind of reminiscent of our full box overlays, our glitter header overlays, and our little flag overlays. And my little hack for this is I like using this kind of, let me show you. I didn't have it for this week, obviously, but I would do the bows here and then maybe the confetti on the bottom washi, like that extra spot that you have this washi that you cut. Or you could totally use this just on the regular bottom washi, like if you wanted to keep it the full washi. You can use this on top of your deco for a sprinkle of foil on top of your deco. Or another hack is, which I think is really, really cool, is you have, you know, your I can't think of the name of those, the photo corners, but you also have the full box overlays. But if you wanted to get really fancy, which let me actually pull out a full box for you. You could totally take this one and use it as a full box like accent. So let me go ahead and, obviously this color doesn't really match this kit, but you can totally put that on here. And it gives, you know, some foil to your full box. And then you could take your Erin Condren ruler if you wanted to use it as extra full box overlays and just totally, this is 1.5 inches wide, and go ahead with your slice tool. I'm probably going to use it for my bottom washi or my over my deco, depending on what the bottom washi looks like, is you could just cut it and then use it to make more full box overlays. So how cool is that? Just a little hack, but I think that turned out really cute. You get an extra couple of accents there, or like I said, you could use them in strips on your bottom washi. You could use them over the deco area. You could really get very creative with your usages for those. But that is everything for the wiggle this week. It will be available on Wednesday. Again, you have your icon page. You have this page here which has your oops. We did make it bigger, so it's kind of like it evens itself out and will be corrected in the next format. Then you have your bottom washi here. You have your full box overlays, your photo corners, and then your glitter header overlays. The wiggles, this format, are some of my favorite ones ever. They're all like super unique and different from each other, and I just absolutely adore them. So that one is green. Then let's get into the releases that will be coming this Friday. The wiggle comes Wednesday at noon Eastern. Let's see. So let's go ahead and go over the new releases for this week. We do have 3 collections, but I'm actually going to go over the non-collection items. So the first release is actually kind of, I guess, like a reformat of sorts. And I did put these on sale. They did have the little rogue dot like the Wiggles did, but I went ahead and reordered corrected ones, so I took those ones down and replaced them with this. So these are already up. They were up for last week's new releases. They were in the new releases section. Then I did put the icons on sale because they used to have an Etsy icon in the corner, and obviously we're not on Etsy anymore. So those went on sale. I think all but the rose gold sold out, so if you still want to pick up rose gold icons at a discount, I think it's like 50% off. Plus we have a ton of other foil that we're going to be discontinuing or replacing in the for like 50% off in the sale section. Definitely check that out. But we did just replace the Scribble Prints Co. logo. We had Etsy before, but we put the SP there. These are super cute. So the icons will be restocked on Friday. So if you want to get the discounted rose gold ones, I think that's all that is left. Definitely do so. Then we do have a new script sampler by Jessica, and this one is kind of like a cleaning one. So you have tidy up, vacuum, laundry time, do the dishes, cleaning day, declutter, and organize, which is very appropriate for all of the tidying everyone has been doing in the beginning of the year. So you have those on all 3 foil options. And then the first of our mini deco line is hearts, and these are so cute. They're so itty bitty little, like look compared to my pinky nail. You have hearts, you have closed hearts and open hearts. Super cute. Tons of stickers on these sheets. It is just the first design of many to come in our mini deco line. All 3 foil colors. And then I do have 3 Scribbler releases this week. They're on all 3 of the girls. We do have the Bunny Celeste, the Celeste with the roses, and then the Celeste baking cookies. Now let's go on to the collections this week. So the first collection here is actually a reformat of a mystery. I think it was March mystery last year. There is a gnat in this room and I'm going to lose it. So I feel like I'm really distracted because I'm like following the gnat around. But this is Peony. It was, I believe, our March mystery last year. The colors were like a greenish color, I think like a pink, maybe there's a yellow in there, I don't remember honestly, but I went ahead and recolored this art. It is custom art, so you will not see this art anywhere else, and this is kind of like a Mother's Day collection, but it could totally just be like a really pretty collection. There's like a mom on her necklace and then mom on the box, but otherwise it's pretty neutral there. You do have a ton of deco here, so the recoloring is more of like a pink and gold combo with this little bit of taupe, which I love. Oh my goodness, it's on my face. So mad about this now. There's a Happy Mother's Day full box, but you do get the full box here if you didn't want to use that one. I love the colors. You have the champagne gold accent. Of course, I'm going to be using this for Mother's Day just because I think it's so pretty, especially with the reformatted colors. I'm in love. And then you have the bottom washi, which is just a really simple marble with glitter accents over top of it. Love this collection. There is options if you do want to add on the 15mm washi. I don't have it with me. I don't know what I was thinking, but it will be available on the site. And then there is the glitter header option if you want to add that on. And then there are 2 kid options like the mystery hat as well. So you have the girls and then the boys, which are super, super cute. Love those. So that is the Peony kit, which is a reformat, like I said, of a mystery. It is an ultimate exclusive because of that. So that will be available this Friday at noon, and that is an ultimate exclusive right there. Then I do have another kit here, which is called Work From Home, which is a really cool like neutrals type, but neutrals without being super neutrals, like kind of like pastel neutrals kit. It does come in a mini and an ultimate option, so this is kind of like work from home. So I really love this. This is kind of me always. So you have kind of like the office and, you know, kind of like chill but also working. I love these colors. I think they're so fun. They kind of remind me of like a soft like 80s kind of colors with the patterns and stuff like that. Just really pretty, almost like beachy, like a really like neutral, soft, dusty colors. And then you have the bottom washi, which again reminds me very of like an 80s, 90s pattern, which is super cute. Then you have your little freebie there, which is super cute as well. This one does come in an option for a mini kit. We have been doing unlimited stock for the weekend for the past, I think, 2 weekends, and it has been working out okay for the production size, so we'll continue to do so as long as it is possible, of course. So this one has the same full boxes, the same deco page, the same functional page. This is the mini kit page, and then you have the bottom washi, the 15mm washi add-on is this really cool. It's kind of like cool tone gray, which is really pretty, and I think that'll look really cool layered on top of that washi there. So that is the mini kit option. There is a Fashion Girl add-on. I haven't been doing a lot of Fashion Girl add-ons. I've been just putting like a lot of Fashion Girls in the set itself. This one does have a Fashion Girl here, but I thought it would be cute to do a Fashion Girl add-on just because I honestly love these girls too. Some of the girls, like, I don't know, recently I've been getting a little bit pickier and I'm just like, it's cute, but I don't think we need like a full set of them. I did reformat this sheet, if you guys remember. Well, actually, this is how they normally were. They were kind of like in a box formation, I guess, and this is more of a line formation. I did this just for our storage purposes. It's the same amount of stickers, obviously, same size and everything, just the format is a little bit different. So that is the Fashion Girl option if you want to add that on, and then there's also, of course, a glitter header option if you want to add that on, and that is Work From Home. And the last collection, which is certainly not the least, is the My Favorite Things collection, which is such a pretty collection. Just literally the word pretty describes it all. So this is the My Favorite Things collection. You have a lot of really pretty gray, pink, and blue accents, and then you have the gold sprinkled throughout, which is super pretty. I just feel like the vibes of this kit are super fun. You have kind of like the little glitter boxes outlining these girls, which are super cute. I love that this girl has the blue skirt. And then the little like type photo corners there. I love like the coffee, the stripes, the glitter stars in the background. Super cute. You have a ton of deco here. I love the style. This art was really pretty. When I saw this, I literally gasped and Nick heard me and he's like, what's wrong? And I'm like, this art I just found that was just released. I was like, it's so cute. And I put some stars in there. These colors are so pretty, and look at this bottom washi. I live for it. It's pink, and then I did this kind of like taupey gray color that matches the taupey gray here as the 15mm washi add-on if you want to add that on. But I just fell in love with the colors of this, with the art, just with the vibes. Definitely an anytime kit, like the work from home kit. Very anytime, seasonless, not holiday specific. I'm probably going to hoard this for the summer because I don't use a ton of summer kits, but that is the ultimate kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. So the mini kit does have the full boxes, the same deco page, the same functional page, and then you have the half boxes and the bottom washi. So that is the mini kit, and like I said, I have been doing unlimited stock. Is today Monday? No. Unlimited stock of the new releases for the whole weekend if possible. So that is the mini kit. You do have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler as well as the 15mm washi strip. So that is everything this week. I hope that you guys liked this video, like this new release. There's a ton of stuff. So all of these items here, the full boxes overlays are already available, and then the rest of the items will be coming to the shop at Friday at noon Eastern. And then we will have the really awesome wiggle deal on Wednesday at noon Eastern. Of course, there is limited wiggles because we do have our foil manufactured. So definitely log on and place your order if you want to get some green wiggles. Super excited for this. I'm actually going to go put this with what kit I want to use it with. Kind of debating between two right now, but we will see. But that is the wiggle. Again, you have the glitter header overlays, the photo corners, the full box overlays, the bottom washi, which like I said, you could totally cut these down and use them as full box overlays, like accents, or you could use them as like washi strips. You have the new larger icon page, which has the oops, but easily fixable, and then the icons, circle icons. So that is everything in the wiggle, and like I said, they are $2 each a la carte. If you buy all 6 of them, they're like at the bottom of the listing, it says all 6, it's $10, which is a great deal. $10 for 6 sheets of foil. So that's everything for this week's new release, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.